Hi everyone, Gilles here, one last time for Premiere Basics. As you've seen in the last tutorial, Jordy will be hosting the channel from now on, and I won't be coming back. I've been working on the Premiere Basics channel every week for the past year and a half, but only for 2 days per week. Because next to this awesome channel, I also have my own company Zeta Pictures, where I am a freelance photographer and filmmaker. And the business is actually taking over, which is of course a good thing. But that means I unfortunately don't have the time and energy anymore to make content for this channel every week. Of course, I have had an unforgettable time here at Cinecom and Premiere Basics, and I really learned so much from everyone here in the office. But life is all about changing, evolving, and of course growing, like this channel did. Because you guys kept on supporting this channel every week with our weekly tutorials and our live streams that we did last year. And we've now almost reached the insane amount of 100,000 subscribers. So thank you all so much for the massive support. Maybe we'll see each other again somewhere on the internet. But as always, stay creative. It's a wrap.
Hey, what's with the long faces, guys? Now, Gilles might be going his own path, but we've got a whole journey in front of us. Premiere Basics has just started. We're almost at 100,000 subscribers. Thank you so much for that, guys. We're gonna make a separate video about that soon. But we have a whole year planned, a whole year of Adobe Premiere Pro tutorials, and I want to hear from you. What do you want to see, guys? Let me know in the comments down below what kind of tutorials you want to see. If you have any suggestions, go ahead and throw it in the comments. And also give Gilles some big thanks for what he's been doing with the channel, and to wish him the best of luck with his business, which I'm also gonna do. I'm gonna write that in the comments. Alright guys, let's make the end of the year, and of course 2022 an amazing killer year with tons of amazing Premiere Pro tutorials. It's going to be awesome, and I really look forward to taking over this channel and be the new beautiful face. Gilles, we're gonna miss you, man, but I wish you all the best with your business, and I hope you will always remember to stay creative.